Constant coefficients means constant we have to take 1. So 1 coefficient is 6 and here 1 coefficient is minus 9. So this minus this. So if it is mod A, B, C, D, so we have to take AD minus BC. So AD means this term minus this term. So same as it is 4 into minus 9 is minus 36 minus BC. BC means 6 5. 6 5 is a 30 is equal to, in second term we have to put minus. So minus second term coefficient is what? Y. By remaining two terms coefficients. So remaining two what we have here? X terms. So x terms and constant. So x term coefficients are what we have? 3 and 6. Constant 1 coefficients are 6 and minus 9. So for that, so 3 into minus 9 is minus 27 minus 6 is 36. So we get this. Next third term. So third term is constant. That is 1. So 1 by. So remaining two terms coefficients. So remaining two terms coefficients means x coefficients are 3, 6 and y coefficients are 4, 5. Now do in this format. So AD minus BC. 3 5 are 15 minus BC means 4 6 are 24. Is it clear?
Yes, madam. Okay.
So next, x by minus 36 minus 30 is minus 66. So next, minus y minus, so is equal to minus y by, so minus 27 minus 36 is minus 63 is equal to, so here 1 by 15 minus 24 is minus 9. So to finding x value we have to equal this. X by minus 66 is equal to 1 by minus 9. So send minus 66 into numerator. So x is equal to minus 66 by minus 9. So minus minus cancel. So 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. So x is equal to, I get is a 22 by 3. So that's why I get here x is equal to 22 by 3. So in next step we have to equal y and constant. Then we get y term. So what we have here? Y by minus, so y by 63 is equal to 1 by minus 9. So send this 63 into numerator. So y is equal to 63 by minus 9. So 9 ones are 9, 9 sevens are 63. So y is equal to, we have 7 by minus 1 is nothing but y is equal to minus 7. So that's why y is equal to, I get minus 7 and x is equal to 22 by 3. So that is point of intersection. So x value first we have to write comma, after that we have to write y value minus 7. Is it clear? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
So next, find the perpendicular distance of the point. So one point and one line. If is given, to find perpendicular distance, we have the formula is this. Mod A1 AX1 plus BY1 plus C1 by under root of A square plus B square. So from these two we have to find x1, y1 and A and B. So this point as x1, y1 is equal to this point minus 2, 3. It means x1 is equal to minus 2, y1 is equal to 3. And compare this line equation with straight line equation. Why? Because it is in the form of straight line. So that's why C is equal to 0. So from this if I compare these two, x coefficient is A. So A is equal to what I get? 2, comma. Y coefficient is B. B is equal to what I have here? Minus 1. So minus 1. plus C. C is equal to what we have here? Minus 3. So C is equal to minus 3. Now substitute x1, y1 and ABC in the formula. So the perpendicular distance of the given point and the line is, so D is equal to mod AX1 plus BY1 plus C by under root of A square plus B square. So A value is 2. Into X1 is we have here minus 2 plus B value is minus 1 and Y1 is 3 plus C is minus 3 by under root of A square means 2 square plus B square means minus 1 whole square. So is equal to mod 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. So place into minus minus 3 ones are 3. So place into minus minus 3 by under root of 2 square means 4 minus 1 whole square means 1. So what we get? Minus. So mod minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. So minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10. So for that minus 10 by root 4 plus 1 is 5. That's we get in next step. So here I get here minus 10 by root 5. In mod minus values will be plus. So that's why 10 by root 5. So 10 I can write it as 2 into 5. So 2 5s are 10 by root 5. So 5 I can write it as root 5 into root 5. Root 5 whole square means 5. So that's why 5 I can write it as root 5 into root 5 by root 5. So 1 root 5, 1 root 5 cancel. So now clear? So now 2 into we can write 5 as root 5 into root 5. So means root 5 whole square. Square root cancel, so again we get 5. So that's why I written 5 into root 5 into root 5 by root 5. So 1 root 5, 1 root 5 cancel. So remaining is 2 into root 5 is 2 root 5. Is it clear? Any doubt in this question? No, ma'am. So next. Next also same, we have to find the perpendicular distance from the point. So That is, he is given 1 point, 1 comma 2, and he is given 1 line. That is 3x minus 4y plus 5. So 3x means ax plus by plus c format it is. So we have to compare with that format. So what we get? Here x1 y1 is equal to given point 1 comma 2, and a means x coefficient is 3 comma b means yes, b means y coefficient is minus 4, and c means constant it is 5. So therefore the perpendicular distance of the point and line is this form, mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. So a means what we have here? 3 into x1 is 1 plus b means minus 4 into y1 is 2 plus c means we have here 5 by under root of a square plus b square. So a square means 3 square plus minus 4 whole square. So 3 ones are 3. So plus into minus, minus 4 twos are 8 plus 5 by under root of 3 square is 9 plus minus 4 square is 16. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So 8 minus 8 is 0 by under root of 25. So 0 by something is 0. So that's why we get the point, given point, and the line distance is 0. So means this point is lies on this line.
Origin.
Yes. Not origin, in this line only.